Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download MSI motherboard drivers. So basically what you need to do is search MSI motherboard and click on the first link. Right here, make sure it is the official website, then go to the support, scroll down and click on motherboard. Click on the downloads right here, and here you'll need to find your product, so select product line. So enter the motherboard. For category, enter motherboard 2, and right here for the product type, select the series. So for me it is Pro series, and for product model, what we need to do is select your model. After that, click search, and right here you'll see driver, and select Windows version. After that, you'll be able to download all the drivers that you need, like system and chipset driver, LAN driver, onboard audio driver, and other drivers, by clicking this download button. And that's it. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.